Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let us discuss about a new thing and very famous question regarding GATE. That is what? Is it possible to crack GATE in 30 days? Is it really possible? Very famous question regarding GATE, but nobody tells you what's the reason it didn't work if you crack in 30 days. So my very first answer is yes for this question, because if your mind said yes, your 50% of work already done. If your mind said no to you, your graph will be degraded regarding it. Okay, you have to tell to your mind first. Okay, you have to gain that ability to solve the problems and to crack it. First you have to tell to your mind yes, it's okay to you. Okay, so my very first answer is yes. So the candidates which are under category S, who can come, and the candidates who are come to the category no, and I gave a space to some special persons. Those are the candidates who are unable to tell yes and no. They are confusing still. Still they are confusing at their talent. So they didn't know, and if they are said yes, if they are said no. So I gave you some space to you guys. So take your own path. Okay. So I am only talking about the S candidates and no candidates here. So coming to this. So it is S to whom? Okay. If you are a genius, if you are a third year BTech student, or you have much more analytical ability skills, so those are candidates pretty good about GATE to crack in 30 days. Okay, why? Because the problem solving skills and the concept understanding skills are very important regarding GATE. If you are genius, or if you are a third year BTech student, you have fresh knowledge. Okay, that means you are in college right now, so your doubts will be clarified by your lecturers at any time, and you have library, the much more things you have in your hands. Okay, so this 30 days is very important to you. Okay, the analytical ability who have very high, so those are also take your path in 30 days. You can qualify GATE in 30 days. Definitely those are who having these qualities. Okay, so check yourself. Do you come under this category? Then it is S to you. Okay, and here I giving some stars. These stars indicates your ability skills. If you have much more high ability to solve problems and understand the concepts, your marks also like this. You have high skills. If you have high skills, then your marks also high. Okay, and next, no for whom. I am telling clearly who are not eligible to crack GATE in 30 days. So first one is working persons. Working persons are having less time, and this 30 days is very less to them. So those are not at all suitable to this path. And for a housewife also, and if you are not having analytical ability to solve problems, that means you have less ability skills and less understanding skills, then you are not eligible. So it's a big no to you guys. Sorry. So these persons take a path These 30 days you choose to gain the strength to solve the problems, and you use this time to improve your skills, your understanding ability, to improve your problematic skills. Okay, these 30 days is useful for that purpose only. Uh, so GATE is a continuous process. Your desire and your confidence levels keep on the path for achieving your aim. Okay, so the S candidates, take your own path, you can crack definitely. And for note candidates, take a new path. Okay, take some more time, 3 months or 6 months or 1 year time. You have much more time in your hands. Okay, take a new path and take your own challenges and take a better institute and join into that. It's up to you candidates. Just look at yourself. If you are come under this category or this category, take your path on your based on your interests. Okay, that's done. So guys, please ask me any doubts regarding GATE exam. Okay, 30 days crack, GATE cracking in 30 days, always a risky one. Okay, but if you are a student, if you are a BTech third year student, it's a chance to you. Okay, give one chance to you. So at BTech level, if you crack GATE, your time saving skills in life is very 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 pretty. Okay, because after you coming once you left the college and joined any institute, your mind will degrade. Okay, distractions, so many distractions are there. If you are in a college, definitely you have much time and much more sources you have. Okay, library and faculty and friends, you have much more sources. Okay, keep on trying and give some group studies. Okay, these 30 days very important to you. If you are having good skills, give some 10 days plan to study the whole concepts or important concepts regarding some 5 subjects. Okay, after 10 days, just solve the before previous question papers. After 10 days, just revision yourself. Okay, take some 5 subjects very important in your stream and follow this one. Definitely you can qualify. This qualification in GATE boost your energy. Definitely boost your energy. Then definitely you can crack in the upcoming next year, that means after final year BTech, you get below 100 rank definitely, because this qualification booster gives you energy unlimited. Okay, so guys, any questions regarding this one, please comment in comment section. Thank you so much.